Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Custom Keto Diet Review for day 3 and day 4. So day 3 was a quick summary. We were real busy this day. It was a Saturday. Weather was nice outside. We were having family time with the kids in our backyard. So I'm going to highlight the breakfast and the dinner. So for breakfast, we had this keto wrap here. And I believe this recipe called for alfalfa sprouts. And instead of alfalfa sprouts, we use the spinach because sometimes you got to just use, what's in your fridge. But it tasted really great. For dinner, I think we had our cauliflower mac and cheese again, and we made some good chicken and some broccoli. So that's kind of the summary for day 3. I didn't do a weigh-in on this day. But on day 4, I weighed in at 209.4 pounds. So I went from 11 to 209.4 pounds. So that was really exciting to see that I came down, lost a few more pounds there. So really exciting. So for day 4, I'm just going to go right to lunch. Breakfast, we didn't get a chance to have breakfast, but we had our the bacon salad with ranch dressing. This is our version of it here. And then for dinner, one of the recipes on the website is a chicken BLT salad. So this is our version of it. We just used again what was in our fridge. So there was some Italian sausage there, so we use that as a substitute. And then for a snack, we had some yummy, delicious salmon dip. So on the website, it says keto crab dip. I'm allergic to crab, so we substituted the crab for salmon, and it came out really great. We actually have some video of my husband making the salmon dip and also making the dinner. So I'm going to cut to that now so you can see how we put that together.
All right, everybody. We're making this nice salad to go along with the meal. And this is a crushed tomato, green pepper. I got onion in here and a little bit of mushroom. So we're gonna put this on the salad. This will taste so good. And just a little bit on each side. And then we will finish off with some of the meat. And this is a baked chicken seasoned with some sausage on the side. So, yeah. All right. Thank you so much. All right, everybody. Hey, welcome back. I'm making my wife some keto salmon dip. The website calls for a keto crab dip, but since my wife's allergic to that stuff, we're gonna swap it off for some salmon. Right now, I have the first part, which is the cucumber, and we're gonna use that as chips for the dip. I got the salmon here. And the ingredients that we're putting into this type of dip is cream cheese, mayonnaise, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and then a couple spoonfuls of the lime juice. All right, so we'll come back to you in just a minute after I really start to mix this up and to show you the end product at a time. All right, we're back. I've completed the dish, which is the salmon. Take a look at it. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It's gonna be so delicious. All right, bon appetit. Thank you.
All right, so you got a chance to see my husband cooking there. Again, the food was really great. So if you found value in this video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about the custom keto diet, just click the link below. Again, we'll continue to, let you know the progress that I'm having as we, continue this journey on the custom keto diet. So thank you very much. Bye.